In this video, I'm going to show you how I track Amazon PPC success for my brands and all our clients' brands as well. Success in advertising across platforms like Facebook, Google, and Amazon hinges on diligent tracking and understanding key performance metrics. The objective is to elevate sales and profits while minimizing costs. By establishing and adhering to a straightforward tracking system, you may initially invest more in advertising, yet the outcome will be increased profitability. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial, time, and location freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine system. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency. Unlike many gurus, I have real experience in creating successful businesses online and specifically on Amazon. But enough about me. Let's jump in. Now, I was once on a panel, an Amazon PPC panel, up on stage, and they were going through this panel and all the other PPC gurus on there, some pretty smart people on there. And they asked the question, somebody in the crowd asked the question, what metrics do you measure with Amazon PPC? And it went down the line, and they were talking about all these crazy metrics. And I'm just like, that's a lot of work to measure all those metrics. And I'm here to tell you, and it came to me eventually, and I said, the only metric that matters, the most crucial metric in business, is total sales growth and profit, evaluated both quarter over quarter and year over year. This indicates the overall health and progress of your business. You do not need to go crazy with the data and tracking every single thing that's out there. Keep it simple. This is the 80-20 of KPIs for your ads. Overall sales growth and profit, quarter over quarter, year over year. A lot of people look at week over week, day over day, month over month, but there's seasonality, there's so much to it that it's best to compare quarter one to quarter one of the previous year. All right, understanding tacos. Tacos, again, I'm gonna go over this again and again. Tacos, or the total advertising cost of the sale, is a crucial metric. For stability, aim for a tacos of 10 to 15%. For growth, target 15 to 20%. Now I'm gonna tell you a crazy story. At iLove, we operated at a tacos of 42%. That means 42% of our revenue went right back into advertising. This was during our customer acquisition phase. But when we shifted focus to profitability, we brought it down to about 17%. When you launch a new product, you might see a tacos as high as 50 to 75%, but this should decrease as your organic rankings improve. If your tacos is under 10%, consider being more aggressive. You need to bring up your ACOS to maybe bring in more sales velocity, which will then maybe raise your tacos a little bit, but it'll increase your overall profit number. Remember, the real game changer is tacos, total advertising cost of sale. Unlike ACOS, which is your advertising cost of sale, tacos gives you a broader view of how your ads impact overall profitability. By targeting high converting keywords, you can improve organic ranking, which in turn reduces your tacos and increases your profitability. Look at your overall account ACOS rather than your individual campaign ACOS. Some campaigns might run at a high ACOS, but still contribute to reducing your tacos, making your business more profitable overall. Our exact match campaign for the word side treatment ran at 150% ACOS, but contributed to 3 to 4 sales per day, significantly increasing our organic rank for the whole keyword silo of sty. This led to a lowering of our tacos and an overall increase in profitability. Do not look at individual campaign ACOS. All right, let's talk about organic versus advertising sales ratios. This isn't one that you have to measure, but it's sometimes handy to look at. You want to strive for a balance between organic and advertised sales. The ideal ratio is 60% organic to 40% paid. But with Amazon's increasing pay-to-play nature, this might shift to more like 40% organic and 60% advertising. And if you're a new brand and you're just launching, it's probably going to shift more towards the advertising as well. Let's talk about daily and weekly tracking. We have lagging and leading indicators that we monitor, and these are key metrics that we regularly monitor on a weekly basis. You can do this daily as well, but I recommend weekly. We recommend watching revenue, profit, ad spend, ad sales, ACOS, tacos, and then new campaigns created. Lagging indicators like revenue, profit, ad spend, and tacos provide insight into how your campaign's past performance is doing. In contrast, leading indicators like new campaigns added give you a glimpse into future potential. So when you create new campaigns and you create a certain amount, you can see if it's creating a lag or an increase in revenue and profit. So let me switch over my screen and show you how we do this. So this is it. This is our very, very simple weekly tracking spreadsheet. And then you'll just make another one for monthly and another one for quarterly. It's the exact same spreadsheet. It's just what time frame that you're measuring. And you can see we're measuring revenue, profit, ad spend, ad sales. And the nice thing about this is then ACOS will populate and tacos will populate, and then new campaigns created. So let me fill in a couple of these just to kind of show you what what we're doing here. Now, a performance hack is when you're doing your weekly numbers. I like to do this as the business owner. I like you to do these metrics because it will take you literally 5 minutes, but it gives you a good pulse on the business and you can look and find trends as needed. But going back to this, when you do this, also do your weekly optimization that we talked about in the previous video for pausing and for adding negatives. So pausing campaigns, adding negatives, unpausing campaigns, go back to the previous chapter to look at that. But just put it in your calendar for 30 minutes every week to do this, and then do the Amazon PPC Amazon PPC optimization, which is the pausing, unpausing, and putting negatives in. So let me show you how to do this. So we use ZonGuru for this. So we're inside of ZonGuru right here. And what I'm going to do is just come down here. I'm going to go to custom range, and we're going to do 1029 to 11.4, apply. Then you can see right there, gross revenue, 922.87. Profit was negative 57.79. Add spend. I like to go to campaign manager for that. So we'll do that same time frame. Spend is right there. Let me get sales in here as well. Spend was 307.21, and then add sales 684.66. So you can see it calculates our ACOS, our TACOS, and then we can go in to see how many campaigns we created. So I'll go sort it by start date, and we'll look for just the time period of that. So we're scrolled down, and it looks like, and I'll just manually count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 46. So we actually had quite a few campaigns. I didn't expect that many. So 46 campaigns created. And then we'll do that same thing for this date, 11.5 through 11.11. Same thing, we'll go to ZonGuru, put that custom date range in, 839 or 840 and 21. So I made a little more profit that month or that week. Add spend to add sales, 273, 640, 273 and 640. And then we'll count how many campaigns we made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 that week. And then you can just do this again. And this is all we do. This is like what we monitor. This is what we track. This is what we do to make sure our clients' accounts are looking good. And we monitor this on, like I said, a monthly and a weekly basis. All right, here's a productivity hack. While we're reviewing these metrics, optimize your campaigns by pausing underperforming ones, adding negative keywords, and adjusting bids for better performance. Don't forget to check for keyword indexing regularly. Remember, the ultimate measure of success is total sales growth and profit. That's cash in your pocket. Assess these quarter over quarter and year over year. Mastering Amazon PPC is a continuous process of monitoring, analyzing, optimizing, and scaling. By staying focused on key metrics like TACOS and ACOS, and then regularly adjusting your strategies, you can significantly increase your sales growth and profitability. It's all about making data-driven decisions to stay ahead of the competition. For more tailored strategies and a comprehensive approach to Amazon PPC, where we show you how to start using software to automate parts of your Amazon PPC and the rest of your business, join our Perpetual Sales Machine coaching program at freedomflywheel.com. We're here to guide you through every step of your Amazon journey, helping you transform metrics into meaningful success. We only open this up to a few people at a time, so go to freedomflywheel.com right now. All right, your action items for this video. Commit to a regular schedule, preferably weekly, for analyzing key PPC metrics such as revenue, profit, ad spend, ad sales, ACOS, and TACOS. As you saw from the screen share, it only takes about 5 minutes. This routine will ensure you're constantly aware of your campaign's performance and able to make timely decisions.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.